for the sake of one daily bread? Second question, how many of you do go to markets for purchasing your daily food requirements like fruits, vegetables, etc.? And third, how many of you do farming at your own houses for fulfilling the requirements of yours as a daily life? Well, the answer might be quite obvious. The present report says that with the growing population, the pressure on the cultivable land has increased tremendously. And at the same time, this has contributed at the widening gap between the demand and supply of the food prices. And ultimately, it has led to hunger. The Velocity has come up with an idea of rooftop farming automation system. The system will help the urban community to become self-sustained in terms of their daily requirements. Now, when we talk about rooftop farming, the first and the obvious query that comes from the urban community, why should we do it? We don't have much of time, neither we have knowledge about it. If that is your query, then we have the solution. The rooftop farming automation system is such a system which derives complete details that is required. Say, for example, the sowing depth, the distance at which the seed has to be sown, the watering time, the temperature, humidity as a parameter from the web-based database. So it eliminates complete requirement of the knowledge of this particular field. Second, it has been automated in such a sense that you need to just do three things. First, you need to select the crop you want to grow. Second, you have to put in the seeds into the container. And third, you have to just pluck it for your own use. By doing and adopting this system, you become a very responsible citizen because you are somehow contributing, helping your country to eliminate the problem of hunger by yourself becoming self-sustained in terms of your requirements. If you do so, then there would be ample available for those who can't reach to the food. So, our idea is to let's make this world a better place to live in, not only in terms of yourself, but as a social and as a community as well. Thank you very much.
Before we actually announce the awards for the embedded development category, I'd like to call all the teams who were there who presented the solutions for embedded development on stage.